Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to clear all on your Microsoft Excel web. For an example, if you just selected something and you just want to clear all with a single click, you can just do this with this option. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to clear all thing on your Microsoft Excel. For an example, here I just provide a value of 10 and I just paste it here, and I just going to insert some shapes here like this. Okay, and also I just going to insert some another shapes like okay. So we have a lot of things on here, and we also have going to insert a chart here. Okay, so I just need to clear the every data on the screen, or I just need to clear particular cells. You will see the option here called clear. Click on this option here. You will see option called clear all or clear format and clear content. So click on this clear all, which will not clear this content because this is above the cell. So this only the inside the cell, so it will use only for this. If you just click on this clear option and clear all, which delete all the content inside the cell, but these are above the cell, so you should manually delete this type of content on your Microsoft Excel. This is an example. I just showed how it's difference between that. So if you want to clear everything with a single click, select the entire page and click on the clear option, clear all, that says it will be clear. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.